In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site in Framer. Maybe you launched a project as a test, or your client isn't ready for the site to be live yet. Whatever the reason, unpublishing in Framer is quick and reversible, as long as you know exactly where to look. I'll walk you through each step so you can safely take your site offline. First, open your browser and go to Framer's website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or client projects. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your project's dashboard, where you can see all of your recent sites and folders. Next, locate the specific site you want to unpublish. On the project card for that site, look for the three small dots, usually found just below or near the site preview. These dots open a context menu with more options related to that project. Click on those three dots to reveal the menu. From the menu that appears, choose the option that says Open Settings. This will bring you to the settings page for that particular site. Give it a moment to load fully. Depending on your connection and the size of your project, it might take a few seconds. Once the settings page is open, you'll see several sections in the sidebar, each controlling different aspects of your site. Now, in the left-hand sidebar of the settings page, look for a section called Danger Zone. This is where Framer groups actions that significantly affect your site, such as deleting or unpublishing. Click on Danger Zone to open that panel. Don't worry, you're not deleting anything here. You're just preparing to change the site's published status. Inside the Danger Zone section, you'll see an option labeled Unpublish. This is the action that removes your site from being publicly accessible at its URL. Go ahead and click Unpublish. Framer may ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure it's intentional. Confirm the prompt, and after a brief moment, your site will no longer be live. Once this is done, your site is effectively offline. You can still edit it inside Framer, and you'll always have the option to publish it again later when you're ready. And that's all you need to do to unpublish a site in Framer.